Hello friends, welcome to this episode. Today we will trace our hand to create many beautiful drawings. Like our first drawing is that of a cock. Let us color it brightly. Yellow for its body, blue, pink, orange and green for its feathers. Isn't it so pretty? Now join your hands in a fist, sticking out the thumb, trace your hand. We have created an elephant and it's playing with water. Now let's make its surroundings and definitely draw the water body. What a brightly colored elephant! Trace your hand again. We are going to draw something very interesting. This is a leaf and so let's make its veins. Now let's draw a caterpillar that's eating the leaf. Well done! Time to color it. Put your hand on the drawing paper with the palm side up and trace it. And get ready to draw a hen. A hen that is wearing a scarf and sitting on somewhere. It's sitting on hay and laying eggs. Time to trace the hand yet again. And now what are we making? A hand with gloves? Let's find out. The fingertips have flowers on them. And the hand has eyes? There, I was tricking you. This is a cactus. Now let's color it vibrantly. Doesn't that look so beautiful? A happy cactus plant. Now what's that little hand getting traced into? Let's figure out. Wait, what's that? Leaves growing on fingertips? That looks weird. And now it has fruits too. Wait, it's actually a tree. Wow, that was totally genius. And what a riot of vibrant colors. That little hand getting traced out again. This time, what is it? Any guesses? Looks like a corn on the cob to me. We are about to see how the corns are getting made. Wow, now I'm feeling so hungry looking at it. Totally drool-worthy. The cutie hand is there again. Let's see what's it this time. What? Rocks floating on hands? I'm not getting it. Again it has eyes? A cactus plant again? Mushrooms maybe? But they don't grow in branch like this. What could it be? Balloons perhaps? What? It's actually a colorful tree. Wow! You are a genius, little hand. And we can't wait to guess the next drawing. Bushes, doors, and many windows. Now it has many flags too. Looks like it is a castle. Blue, green, orange, pink. It's a rainbow castle. So gorgeous. I wish I lived in a castle like that. Time to go back to tracing. And what's this? It's a hen and it's laying eggs. Color, color, color. It's time to color it in red, orange and yellow. Well done. That's all for today. Bye-bye.